Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we will be looking at the details of stray vacancy round in AIMS. What is the date when it will be conducted? When we will come to know the number of vacancies available in AIMS? Who are all the candidates eligible to participate in the stray round? This is what we are going to discuss in this video. Now, first of all, what is stray vacancy round? Stray vacancy round is nothing but the number of vacancies that are still available at the end of the mop-up round conducted by the medical counseling committee. So MCC, you know that at the end of the mop-up round, if there are still vacancies available, MCC does not conduct the stray vacancy. So the vacancies will be surrendered to the respective institutes. It may be AIMS, it may be JIPMER, it may be central universities, it may be deemed universities. So whatever the vacancies that are going to fall at the end of the joining time of mop-up round will be handed over to the respective institutes. So I'm going to talk about only AIMS in this particular video. We will talk about other institutes in the upcoming videos. So the stray vacancy round shall be conducted by AIMS themselves. The list of eligible candidates, however, will be forwarded by MCC to AIMS. So AIMS cannot have their own list of candidates. AIMS can only admit students within the list of eligible candidates provided by MCC. Now, how MCC prepare this list? According to a Supreme Court direction, depending on the number of vacancies available for stray vacancy, MCC has to prepare a list of 10 times the vacancies. Let's say, for example, there are 1,000 vacancies. Then MCC has to prepare a list of 10,000 candidates. If there are 500 vacancies, then MCC has to prepare a list of 5,000 candidates and forward it to all the institutes. So this is not normally a list prepared individually for each institute. It is a list that is prepared for all the institutes. That means whatever the vacancies in AIMS, whatever the vacancies in JIPMER, whatever the vacancies in Banaras Hindu University, all these will be added together, and the total vacancies, there will be a total list. So they don't have a list for AIMS separately, Banaras Hindu University separately, JIPMER separately, they won't have it. So it is up to the candidates to choose which institute they want to follow up in the stray vacancy round, or they may be able to follow up multiple institutions also. Please take note that you cannot do any fresh registration for stray vacancy round. You should have already registered either for round 1 or round 2 or mop-up round in MCC. If you have not registered for any of these rounds, now you cannot do a fresh registration and then say, I want to participate in stray vacancy round. Okay, when I say no fresh registration, please take note that AIMS may ask to indicate willingness. This is different from a fresh registration I'm talking about. I'm talking about within the list of candidates MCC giving to AIMS, AIMS may ask who are all willing to participate in the stray vacancy round. Say, for example, if MCC is giving a list of, say, 5,000 candidates, then AIMS may ask, I'm not sure whether they are going to follow this procedure. Last year, they had a procedure like this. This year, again, they may ask the willingness. And out of the 5,000 candidates, let's say only 1,000 candidates are interested to participate in the stray vacancy round. Then they will call only those 1,000 candidates for the stray vacancy round. So this particular step, I'm not sure whether it will happen because the time is too short. But to avoid a huge crowd, maybe AIMS may do this. So let's wait and see what exactly AIMS is going to do. Now, who are not eligible? As I said, whoever has not registered in any of the previous 3 rounds, that is round 1, round 2, and mop-up round of MCC, they are not eligible. Candidates who have joined the allotted seat in round 2 of MCC, they are not eligible, because anybody who has joined a seat after round 2, they cannot participate in stray vacancy round. Candidates allotted a seat in mop-up round. If you have participated in mop-up round and if a seat is allotted to you, that's all. You cannot participate. Or a seat is allotted and if you have joined, again, you are not eligible. Now, this is the announcement by AIMS regarding the stray vacancy round. This is actually a letter dated 16 December 2020. So we just noticed this letter. So that's why I wanted to share this information. So if you look at the exact details, if we focus on that, as per directions of the MCC and competent authority of AIMS New Delhi, the stray vacancy round for filling up the MBBS seats for 2020 session for all 19 AIMS institutions which remained vacant after mop-up round will be held on 30th December 2020. Okay, take note of the date, 30th December 2020 at 9 a.m. So anybody who is interested in stray vacancy round should be present at 9 a.m. on 30th December 2020. Where? At Jawaharlal Auditorium, AIMS, New Delhi. So if you are interested, you need to go to New Delhi. So it's a spot counseling. You cannot do an online counseling. This is spot counseling. Only those who are present at New Delhi on that particular day and that particular time will be eligible. Subsequently, the medical examination of the selected candidates for all AIMS shall also be held on 31st December between 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if you are going for the AIMS counseling, be prepared to stay there for 2 days. 1 day for the counseling, 1 day for the medical examination if you are selected. Now, when we will know the vacancies? As of now, we do not know how many vacancies are there in the AIMS. If you look at the schedule for MCC, the last date to join mop-up round allotted candidates is 26 December 2020. After 26 December 2020, end of 26 December 2020, we will come to know the vacancies, and then MCC will transfer the vacancies to AIMS and other respective institutions like deemed universities from 27 December 2020. So it's likely that we may know the vacancies by the evening of 26 December or maybe the morning of 27 December, we may come to know the vacancies. My best wishes to everyone. I see you soon in some other video. Bye bye.